dividing shots fired.
I had a
3 teams on 4-wheelers.
If you're going 68 in the tunnel, you're gonna get hurt. Someone's gonna cut you off, you know what I mean?
Stop there. What? You're not filtering in one lane. Not happening. Not happening. I'll stick you on if you do. Stay there.
Good, how are you, sir?
Alright, I'm Deputy San Miguel with the Harris Sheriff's Office. Reason for your stop, your speed. Speed limit here is 40.
Oh.
We're not going 40, I'm behind you. We're going 56, alright? You have your driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Here's your mic. You're recording right now? It's okay. It's perfectly legal for you to record. There's no expectation of privacy.
Yes, sir.
The mic doesn't do anything if it's in your
my
pocket.
mic is off.
Oh, okay. I'm about to say, the mic's supposed to be up here, bro.
It's dead. That's
oh, okay.
why.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. So appreciate you stopping.
Yes,
Most
sir.
motorcycles don't. All right, just sit tight. All right, man. So it's just gonna be a written warning. No fines, no penalties. Again, I do appreciate you stopping, just because motorcycles is you never want to stop.
Yeah, I know.
Then...
I have a plate on and everything.
Yeah.
I know
So you're good on that.
people
So
run.
we just don't want to. We don't like to chase them because all it takes is just going through one intersection.
Right.
Yeah, it's happened already. So like I said, just a written warning. Just mind your speed.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I wasn't looking down. Like I can only see in front of me.
Yeah, I got you. I know how it is, but other than that, I mean, you weren't going excessively fast, so I'm just gonna cut you a warning. All right, man.
Thank you.
How you doing, buddy?
I had a dirt bike run from me yesterday.
Absolutely not. No, that's
Where
retarded.
Where you coming from, brother?
Just Glenson,
Raptor 700, man.
Yeah.
It's an amazing machine. But the reason I'm making contact with you, all your gear on and all that.
Yeah.
And you're coming to an open field.
Mm-hmm.
I got no issue with it, other than the fact that you're riding on the roadway. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When it's right in front of me, there's no license plate. So really, the biggest issue is operating an uninsured vehicle on the roadway.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna write you no tickets today, man.
Thank you.
I'm not. Do you have an ID on you by chance?
Road. How are dividing shots fired?
I had a
3 teams on 4-wheelers. Oh, Whiskey Mike shooting a gun in the air. We're still getting further.
That's not good.
Negative. He's not gonna be involved. Appreciate you speaking with me.
Good luck, man, with whatever the gunshots.
It is actually right in this area, so be careful riding.
Yeah,
okay?
I will. Good luck.
How's it going? Close the door. Let's. Yeah, I'm good.
Put your hands on the handlebar. Is that recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why are you going around barricades and
So
stuff?
I was just trying to get a little closer. Sorry about that. There
Why are
wasn't
you
much
going around
parking.
barricades?
There wasn't much parking. Sorry about that.
Sorry?
I was just trying to find some good parking.
Okay.
It's
Do you have
hot.
your license with you?
I do.
Let's grab it real quick, please.
Is it okay if I grab it?
That's fine. Just stay away from the rifle as best you can.
It's right here. I was just melting back there trying to see what's going on.
Do you have insurance on the bike?
Yes, sir. It's on my phone.
Okay, go and pull it out. How many road closed barricade signs did you find?
This is the first one. I thought this road was open, to be honest. That's why I was
There's
like,
a reason
okay.
why those are there, man.
Yeah, I didn't see that until I got too close.
Okay, well, I can turn around an 838-pound Harley in a matter of real close. I'm sure you can turn this a little bit closer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I gotta take off my helmet so it recognizes my face.
Fine. How many other firearms you got on you?
One more.
Okay, just do me a favor and stay away from.
Yeah, you're good.
the
It's
best
on.
you can.
Yes, sir.
Oh no. How you doing? I'm pretty good.
Dude, I like the mount.
I'm a novice rider. I'm a brand new rider.
No worries, bro.
So
I get it. You're probably feeling the bike and everything.
Actually, I'm trying to practice shifting today.
Gotcha.
My up and down shifts. That's like all I'm focusing on today. If I did something wrong, I'm so sorry.
So a little bit of speed issue.
Okay.
My radar showed you doing 49. This is
49.
25.
Oh, this is a 25?
Yeah, so pretty quick.
Shit.
However, I'm glad you stopped. A lot of times, I'm sure you know motorcycles don't stop. So
That's not the type of riding I'm trying to get into here.
I don't blame you. Do you have a license?
I do.
Awesome, bro. Thank you so
No
much.
problem. Thank you.
How do you like the bike so far?
I love this.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. I had mopeds before.
Sure.
I've never had something like this.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm watching. Do you ride?
No, I don't. I don't. I got a couple of buddies at work.
Gotcha.
No, I grew up riding quads and stuff.
Yeah.
My wife told me that I can't get one until I'm at least 50. Basically, so I don't
So I tell her this, right? The statistics show that people over 40 are more likely to get injured or die on the bike because the confidence that comes with that age.
Never gonna get a bike. Is that what you're telling me? 'Cause
No.
there's no way she'll. You know? Let me just run this stuff quick.
Yeah.
As long as everything checks out, I'll get you out of here quickly, okay? Do you have the insurance paperwork in the bike?
Yeah.
That would be the only thing. I did.
This is all brand new, so it's probably not in yet.
I did.
I just got this all registered right for the season and picked it up new right before the.
Okay, that's a warning. It's not a ticket, okay?
Thank you so much, sir. And I'll keep it slow. I'm sorry.
That's what we're out here for. It's a reminder.
Yeah.
I'll give you this back. I'll let you fold it up however you had it.
All right.
And I'll let you get out of here and keep practicing. Okay?
All right. Now, a little slower this time. I'm sorry, man. But thank you. First warning. Uh-oh. It's not as bad as it could have been. We gotta drive 25 all the way home now.
Damn, y'all, they caught up to me.
I told you.
There's probably more cops coming, so I'm probably gonna head out.
My boy.
Oh, they got you, bro.
Bro.
They got you.
Why am I
boy,
even here, bro?
Illegal boy. Go back to PR.
Bitch, I got my green card right here. Hold on. Green card,
bro.
over here, bro.
I was just kidding. My boy is getting arrested, bro. What's going on in here? I don't know. All that racing, man. It's terrible. They done brought another one of their boys out. Say hi to me. I need content. My boy's dancing. You doing a little jig? Excuse me, sir. Can I take the booster home?
What?
Can I take it home?
You like this?
Yeah.
You gotta ask the guy going to jail first, man.
Oh, no.
I don't think he's gonna like that.
No. Well, it's better than being in the impound.
Someone can take it or no?
No, I think he said he better ask the guy that owns the bike. I asked him and he said no. There's something done to that bike, man.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out here.
Okay?
Say again?
Being recorded.
Okay.
Trooper Bruce with the state police. You know how fast you were going?
65?
68, I got you going. Do you know what the speed limit is in the tunnel?
Oh, 55?
45.
40? Oh.
Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, yes.
Registration? Get the registration for the bike?
That's
It's
it.
in the seat. Whose bike is this?
That's mine.
Your bike?
Yes.
Alright, man, you can hop back on, okay? I'll be right back. Alright, sir. So, you drive in the city a lot?
Yes.
Alright, so you know how people drive in the city, right?
Say again?
You know how people drive in the city, right?
Yes,
Boston? They're not that good. You know, if you're going 68 in the tunnel, you're gonna get hurt. Someone's gonna cut you off, you know what I mean?
This is my first time getting pulled over. What, in 3 years?
In how many years?
3 years.
Okay.
It's my first time.
Alright, I'm just letting you know.
Okay.
You know, you're gonna get yourself hurt driving like that.
Okay.
Alright, you're going almost 30 over.
I thought it was 55 in there.
45. That's a 40 on this road. After you get out of the tunnel.
Okay.
Alright, it's just a warning. Okay?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Alright,
Thank
stay
you.
safe.
Yes, sir.